Hi, this is Sandy Cormack from MobileMarketingApps.co, and we're here today to talk about our free app demo program. If you're not familiar with our website, I suggest you go over to MobileMarketingApps.co and look at some of our articles on mobile marketing strategy and solutions. Today, I want to focus on the app demo program. Um, your business needs a mobile app because we are undergoing currently a revolution in how customers get information. Uh, Customers are transitioning from PCs and laptops to mobile devices. There's data suggesting that right now we're sort of at a tipping point where there are more mobile devices out there than PCs and laptops on an annual basis. Um, and when this happens, customers now start using their mobile devices to access information, the same type of information they were getting through the PCs and laptops, but also different types of information. They want to enable the capabilities of their smartphones. And that's what mobile apps provide in spades, the ability to leverage capabilities that just aren't available in websites. Mobile apps also enable real-time engagement and communication with your customer base. And they combine the best features of all direct marketing media. Um, Native app functionality. I want to talk a lot about the things that we can provide in our mobile app platform. It's a modular platform. We basically provide a menu of capabilities, and anyone wanting a mobile app through this platform can just select off the menu, and we integrate those capabilities. Here is a few examples in the next few screens of what we can provide. First of all, GPS directions. Customers want to be able to know where you are in relation to where they are and get directions. So, one-touch GPS directions, one-touch calling. Uh, Customers who have smartphones want to be able to make purchases. And if they're ready to make a purchase, they want to call you and talk to somebody and make the purchase. So, one-touch calling, being able to call you at the touch of a button. Tell a friend this is a very valuable feature because they can now take their app and they can say, hey, this is a really useful thing. I want to let my friends know about it. I want to let my the people on Facebook and Twitter know about it. I want to send text messages to my friends about it. And if they can do that, then there is more people who can potentially download your app. We can put all sorts of business information, the best features of your website, the best informational features of your website. Like if you're a restaurant, we can put in your menu. Um, if you have special events, we can add a listing of those special events. Um, we can provide all sorts of different ways for them to contact you. So on one screen, you can choose to look at a map to see your location and get directions, to call directly, to go visit the website, or to send an email. And also to enable your customers to take photos and send them to you. I've seen one real innovative uh, application of this capability where an exterminator out west has a mobile app, and they've already had like about 5,000 of their customers download it. And what they do is they enable this capability to let their customers take a picture of the bugs and send them the picture. And then from that, they can select what sort of treatment they have to use to get rid of the bugs. Um, Email lists. You a very simple sign up for our newsletter feature where they can send you their name and email for you to put them on your mailing list. Um, for restaurants, a tip calculator. Uh, Customers can just enter in the amount of the bill and voila, calculate the tip. QR coupons. This is a huge capability that smartphones can give to customers. The ability to scan QR codes and then unlock benefits from that. Uh, we can use the QR codes to enable people to download the app. We can enable them to scan things to get coupons and discounts and things of that nature. Uh, Image gallery. People can send you images and you can put them up in an image gallery. A place for customers to write messages for basically everyone who's downloaded the app to look at, sort of a fan wall. Push notifications. This is by far the hugest game-changing marketing advantage that mobile apps give you. The ability to send push notifications to everyone who have downloaded your app. Real-time communications. This it allows you to announce special discounts in real time, special offers in real time, or just notify them of things that you want them to know. And the great thing about this is, in the mobile environment, well over 90% of push notifications are read. This totally dwarfs Facebook fan pages. This dwarfs email lists, where a small percentage of your messages are ever read. Push notifications, that's at the top of the list. GPS coupons, people come to your establishment and are then rewarded for doing so. After a certain number of visits, they unlock a special discount. Like if you're a restaurant, that could be a free appetizer or whatever. For realtors and mortgage brokers, we have mortgage calculator capability, blog integration. If you have a blog at your website, we can take the RSS feed and put that into the app so that your customers can read your blog articles. Integration with Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn and YouTube. We can add surveys and polls through Wufoo. There's ways of monitoring your marketing campaigns. If you're a restaurant, we can bring in open table dining reservations so your customers can make reservations with their smartphone. We can integrate podcasts. If you have podcasts, we can bring them in, and so your customers can listen to them through their smartphone. Totally integrated with the opt-in marketing services like Aweber and Constant Contact and GetResponse and iContact and MailChimp. There's a full set of app analytics so you can track downloads and whatnot. They're available on iPhone, on Android, and on iPad and Droid tablets. And also there is a shopping cart feature that is connected with both Google and PayPal. So here's your offer. What we can do is create a free demo mock-up of your mobile app. We need you to fill out a form and tell us what kind of functionality you want. We need you to refer us to some source of graphics so that we, like a website, or if you have images you'd like us to use, so that we can add the graphical elements. We'll create the demo. It'll be the graphics and the framework functionality. We won't put a lot of information in it. In order to do that, we'll need to have some agreement in place. But for the demo purposes, you'll be able to preview it. We'll give you a place to download something that'll allow you to demo the app live on your smartphone. And there's no obligation to buy the app. You decide whether or not to go forward from there. And also, you'll get a substantial discount off retail if you decide to go forward. And better yet, you get an additional bonus discount if you follow the instructions after registration. So act now. We look forward to building an app for your business, and have a great day.